Hi guys, welcome to the image intervention video. In this video I'm going to explain that how you can crop your image, how you can zoom in, how you can zoom out, how you can rotate your images, and then how you can reduce their quality. Let's say you are uploading a large image and you want to reduce its size by default. When we are uploading any of the image on any of the social media like Facebook, Instagram, so they are by default reducing our image quality, right? So how you can implement that in the Laravel? So this question is asked by my one of the subscriber. He said, "Assalamu alaikum, kindly make to video where he can preview that image, zoom out, zoom in, rotate, move, and then he is saying that he can move this into the file system and using this 50 KB, right? So you want to reduce its size almost 50 KB. So how you can implement that into your application? So just to it here I have a simple route, right? This one is a route where I'm opening this page, and then this one is a route where I'll send my request to process the image. So first I'm going to open this route. This one is a simple blade which contain image uploading heading, and there is an input which will handle this upload functionality, and there are four and there is a preview here, image tag, and then there are four buttons which will do our job: zoom in, zoom out, and so on. And in this video I'm using the cropper.js, which is a JavaScript library. So if you need that, you need to add its CDN. I have added this CSS file and also the JS file. Also I'm using the bootstrap and jQuery. Okay, so I have set up this for sending the call on the server side, and when someone is uploading the file, it's I'm enable its preview. So by default it's open its preview. Okay, let's say if I give it a refresh and just choose any of the file, if I choose this file, so now its preview is opened, right? So how I can perform different kinds of action on it, right? So whenever I'm changing this uploading the file, it's basically checking that if file chooser is changed, it means that file is selected. So then it's basically reading that file and then append this one is a ID which we have created above where we want to render our image, and then it's using the cropper.js and then viewing this in the HTML web browser, right? This one in the HTML in the web browser. Okay, after that if you want to zoom in, so it's calling whenever we are clicking on that zoom in button, this button, so it's basically handling it through here. When we are clicking on that, it's using the cropper JS. This one is a object which we have created when we initialized our image. Okay, and then it's zooming in 0.1. Whenever we are clicking it twice, it's adding the 0.1 again and again and so on. Okay, similarly it's doing zoom out -0.1. Then we have a rotate functionality, so we are rotating 45 degree every time when we are clicking on this rotate, right? And it's like this, right? Okay, and similarly when we are clicking on that save, we are compressing this on the first, we are converting this into the blob, and then we are formatting this and appending this to this ajax call, right? Here why we are compressing this image to 50 KB, because it will take less time to upload, right? And it will also use less resources, less time, right, when we are uploading this image. Okay, and then we are sending this on this upload image, which we have this one, and then the method is post. We are sending our image. Here we are alerting that our image is uploaded successfully. So this one is a logic where we are converting this into the blog. So when it's sending to this upload image, so here I have added a validation for checking that our image should be an image and it should be this size, so on. Okay, and then getting the image here, compressing it again on the server side. I'm compressing it first on the client side and doing this on the server side, but make sure that if it's doing twice time, so how much quality it's reducing, so is it affordable for your client or your application? So otherwise you can disable it from client side. Okay, and then saving this into the uploads directory, here compressing the image to 50 KB. Okay, and then encoding here we are basically reducing its quality. Here this 75 mean that if you want to reduce more quality, you will mention 60 or 50, so it will reduce more quality. Then mention 30, it will reduce more quality, right? So mention the number which you want to how much you want to reduce, and then storing this into the public disk, and then showing that image uploaded successfully. And if I go here and open this out, vendor uploads, and currently at that time we don't have any image because we haven't clicked on this save image. Okay, and now I want to just mention this thing, right? Just go here, something like this. Okay, I want to just cover here only this, not the all of the stuff, not my image and so on. I want to only upload this stuff. So just click on this save image, click on it, save, and it says uploaded successfully. And if I go here and if I open this preview, click on that, yes, so you can see this, it's only uploaded the cropped image using the intervention package. It's also reduced the size to 50 almost 50 KB or lower than 50 KB. Why? Because we have applied our compression 2 times, so it's become 32 KB, right? So before it was how much its size, I think it should be, yeah, this one is a image. Let me open its properties, details, it's 461. It's the size 461, and now it's reduced to only fewer KBs, right? So in this way you can resize your image, you can adjust however you want to add the functionality, zoom in, zoom out, rotate, and so on stuff in your application. And if you need this source code, I'll upload this on my GitHub repository. So this one is my GitHub repository, you can visit this repository. So I'll mention this something like this cropper.js in Laravel or image intervention here, right? So just to make sure, let me add my GitHub name, not this one. Okay, anyway, I'll upload this on the repository so you can check this out. And if you like this video, don't forget to share your feedback about this, how to before this you know or you have learned it recently by watching my videos. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.